Contractor Foreman makes it easy to schedule and manage your crews with our crew scheduling module. Scheduling your employees should be painless. Our drag and drop crew scheduling tool makes it very easy for you to assign projects to your employees or crews. Your crew can easily see their schedule from the app. No more text at 9 p.m. asking, "Where do you want me tomorrow?" Let the schedule show them or automatically send them a schedule notification text so that they have the full details, even when they are not in the app. Building a schedule is as simple as grabbing the project and dropping it on the crew or employee assigned to that project. With the click of a button, you can send your whole crew or an employee their work schedule for the next week as an email or text message. No more excuses for them not knowing where they are supposed to be. Our crew scheduling also brings in your project task assignments so you can easily see who is already scheduled to be somewhere and identify those who have not. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes crew scheduling easy.